Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to give you reasons why you should get the next version of Windows 10. And following this video is going to be reasons why you should avoid this version of Windows 10. And we're talking about the new version of Windows 10 coming up in a few weeks, which is the May 2020 update, or the version 2004. So in this video, and it's a few of you viewers that have asked me, could you do a video of the positive and the negative of the next version of Windows 10 so that we can have a little bit of have a better idea what we should do or not. So the positive, let's start with the positive. Why should you actually get the next version of Windows 10? Well, one of the reasons why, if you are on the October 2018 update, and even if you're on the May or November 2019 update, what this will do is give you 18 months of an operating system that will work without having to upgrade. So that's the first thing, because Windows 10 versions have typically 18 months of life. So for consumers, every time you upgrade to a new feature update, you get 18 months of Windows 10 for that version before it actually will ask you to move on, or you won't have security updates. So that would be one. The other positive side, and I hope it is a positive side, we'll of course see it when it starts rolling out to everybody, but with all the testing that's been done, with the months of test, this thing has been finished and completed many weeks ago. I would tend to think that this version will be one of the most stable versions of Windows 10 possible. So much testing, so many weeks of testing. None of the other versions of Windows 10 in the past have been tested so long and ran so long on insider previews and internal testing at Microsoft. So technically, that should give it points for being one of the most stable upgrades and one of the most stable versions that we should have. Another positive point, the simple fact of getting some of the new features of Windows 10 that I actually have talked about in different videos on the channel here, including all the little things that are that's not everything, or most of the things are probably not going to be visible for most people, but there's these little things here and there that will just give you some upgrades. What it could be, if you're a developer or you need a Linux environment, Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2, which is coming in here. It could be the Windows Sandbox update that makes it even more interesting, because what happens is it now interacts more and lets you have more fiddling and tweaking of the virtual environment on your PC. Be it a lot of the little features within the settings app that we talked about, including some for the ease of access, and some for the personalization of different things around your operating system. Could it be also some tweaks here and there of the network and internet tabs, update and security stuff, minor, but still some new things in here. For the only reason of having the latest version of Windows 10, that's also a possibility. It depends on who you are. And so, these are some of the reasons why I would say, well, maybe it would be a good idea to move on to this new version. I've been testing it on my machine here for many weeks. No glitches, no problems. It works great. And maybe that or these reasons could be some of them for just moving on to this next version that will be available in a few weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.